Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do some leatherworking and specifically I'm gonna make a new phone case because mine is too old. It is all worn down. I've had it for 3 years. So I'm gonna replace this fake leather with real leather. I'm gonna glue it on here, on this case. I'm gonna reuse the magnets that are in here. Yeah, I'm gonna make a beautiful case. So let's get to work. Taking way longer than I thought. I put the magnets on, so one there and one there, and I putting a little bit of decoration. I'm gonna fold this over like this. I've been busy all day trying to do this, but I'm getting there. You will see the end result later. So it's almost done. It is looking good, and it is time to glue the phone case on here. I'm gonna glue it on this part like so, and the glue I'm gonna use is this. It's a kit, and I'm just gonna try it. So I'm gonna use a little bit of sandpaper. So it is finished, it works, the glue holds. You can put it up like this and it stands, and then you can watch something. So that looks pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. I forgot I noticed that I get more inspiration if I see people, so friends and family and I don't know who else, but I get inspiration and motivation to do more things. This week I was a little bit down and I couldn't get into the flow. I cannot get out of bed every morning so easily, so that's what I want to change. So I'm just gonna do those ideas, and yeah, I just found this barrel with a friend, and I don't know what it's gonna be, but it is nice. I always wanted to have a barrel. Who doesn't? Bye!